Here's another short UCaaS KickasS tip of the week that's very important. And what you can do to stay out of E911 trouble from your state is to roll out Nomadic E-911, and it works like this. If your phone supports it, this is a Poly BBX 450 right here. And a user unplugs and goes from floor 1 to floor 21 or wherever they're going. If you have the right UCaaS provider that supports Nomadic E911, the system already knows that they moved, so when they call 911, they don't have to update their address. It's already done automatically in the cloud. Now, what you need to do is you need to know your UCaaS provider. Do they provide and support that? Know your network and know your hardware and requirements, such as all phones don't provide Nomadic 911, okay? So, if you're interested and you don't know how to go about it, call your trusted advisor. Call the UC guy, better yet. Like my hair?